everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll be making some hummus. Hummus is actually a chickpea spread, really healthy. You can use it as a dip, you can also use it as a spread. It's actually very good for you. Please subscribe if you haven't, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you can be notified when new videos come up. Thank you. So for our hummus, we'll be needing some already cooked chickpeas. You can cook from scratch as shown. So that's what the chickpeas looks like. I've been able to sort it out and I'll be soaking it in water overnight. Usually a minimum of 8 hours is fine, or best still, you can soak it overnight. Make sure you have enough water to cover the surface. As you can see, I'm just going to let it sit on the countertop overnight. And then the next step is to rinse it out in the morning and cover it with water and bring to a boil. Then reduce to a simmer and cook until it becomes tender. So I'm just going to show you what the texture should look like for you to know it's ready. To press into it and it gives that squishy texture and breaks up with ease, then you know your chickpeas is cooked. I'm just going to pour my chickpeas into the colander. Now I'll turn on the tap and give it a good rinse. I'm going to shake this out to get rid of the water, and then we'll proceed with making our hummus. So for our hummus, we'll be needing some already cooked chickpeas. You can cook from scratch as shown, or you can use the canned chickpeas if you prefer. We'll need some salt, a little bit of cumin, some tahini paste, and it's actually very easy to make tahini paste if you can't find it in the supermarket. Tahini is made by lightly roasting some sesame seeds. This is exactly what sesame seeds are, and this is what they look like. You lightly roast this, let them cool a bit, then you blend them up in your food processor or in your with a high-speed blender, adding just a little bit of vegetable oil as you blend. So that's how I got my tahini paste. It's actually very easy to make. We need some vegetable oil. I'm using canola in this case because you need a neutral tasting vegetable oil. We'll also be needing some grated garlic. We need some lemon juice and then some water to blend this all up. So we'll be headed straight for the blender to throw this all together and to start blending. So we'll be starting with the liquids. We are going to be adding the water into the blender, and then the lemon juice goes in, the vegetable oil goes in, salt and cumin, they go in as well, and then the tahini goes in. So the chickpeas goes in at this stage, and so we are going to cover this and blend to a smooth paste. So I almost forgot to add in my garlic, and I'll be adding on the garlic at this point, and then we'll keep blending. So it's important to know that you let your blender rest at intervals, then you continue blending. I'll let this rest for a while, then I'll finish up blending, then I'll come back and show you what the texture looks like by the time it's ready. So I just finished blending up my hummus, and that's what it looks like. You can see how creamy it looks. I'll be turning this out into a bowl now. So into the bowl it goes. And see how thick and beautiful it looks. You can like your hummus a little bit thinner than this, and what you need to do is just add on a little bit of water to thin it out. So that's what our hummus looks like. Usually I like to drizzle on a little bit of olive oil. I also like to sprinkle on a little bit of sesame seeds. That makes it look really pretty. So that's what our homemade hummus looks like. It goes very well with some carrots and cucumbers. It also goes very well with some flat bread. You can actually have this with a number of things. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on this. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by hitting on the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and please do share as well. Thank you.